Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I got home the other night from a trip and I was hungry and I wanted something fast and easy, but as usual, yummy. So I decided to put together the easy chicken pizza quesadillas. They turned out just absolutely incredible. Did them up in about 15 minutes. Let me show you how to make these and you're gonna love them. So let's get started. So to kick things off here, what I've got are two 8-inch tortillas. And I'm just going to add a bit of olive oil to the top. Just to season them up, a tad of salt for that extra little bit of flavor. A pinch of garlic powder. I love garlic powder. And of course, last but not least, some of my favorite ground black pepper. And I'm going to slip these in a pan over medium heat and just heat them up for a few minutes, maybe about 2 or 3 minutes. After about 2 or 3 minutes they're heated through, and you can always tell you get those bubbles and they begin to swell a little bit. So tiny bubbles. And I'm just going to remove these and set them aside on a baking tray. Next up, I'm going to take some pizza sauce and put it in the center. And then just kind of swirl it out towards the edges. You can use tomato sauce too if you like. I just like pizza sauce. And you can pick this up in just about any store. And I like a lots of pizza sauce on my pizza. Next, I'm going to add some seasoned grilled chicken on. And this is just chicken I picked up in the grocery store. If you want, you can be really energetic and make your own. But I find this just as easy, and we want a fast meal tonight. Now some bell peppers. You can use red too if you like, and you can use different things like onion, whatever your little heart desires. And notice I'm wearing gloves, and they're coming for you. And last, it wouldn't be complete without some of that ooey gooey mozzarella. You know, I read somewhere that this is one of the healthiest cheeses you can eat. Not sure why, I'll have to read up on that. I'll let you know in the next video. Then I'm going to sprinkle some dried basil on the top. I usually use fresh basil, but it's the middle of winter here, I don't have any on hand. Some people don't like basil, so if you don't like it, you don't have to use it. Just my preference. And I'm going to slip these into a 400 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven, that's about 200 Celsius, for about 5 minutes or so, just until that cheese is melted and bubbly. Okay, after about 5 minutes, the cheese is beautifully melted and we're ready to cut these up and dig in. And there you have it, our easy chicken pizza quesadillas, simply delicious. Okay, I'm going to grab my pizza cutter here, guys, and cut these up. And just look at this, guys. Wow. That cheese is beautifully melted. And let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is so good, guys. That mozzarella, the extra sauce, the few spices we got on here, it is just incredible. A fast, easy meal. I'm going to have this with a garden salad. Yum. For this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching and thanks for subbing, guys, and see you next time.